Hi, this is Lee from Nextbase. This is our 522GW packed with additional features. Let's find out what makes this an award winner. The 522GW features 1440p 2K resolution and even a polarizing filter to reduce glare and reflection. The 3-inch touchscreen makes setup so easy and is great for viewing back any of your footage. The My Nextbase Connect app allows you via a Wi-Fi signal to connect your phone directly to your camera on the go. Great for viewing and sharing your footage to the police, to your insurance company, or even to your friends. Nextbase Emergency SOS is our groundbreaking feature that is potentially a lifesaver. In the event of an accident and you're unresponsive, your phone will contact the emergency services with your exact location and even things like your blood type. The intelligent parking feature means that if you're away from your car and the camera detects a jolt to your vehicle, it will start recording the incident, making sure you miss absolutely nothing. Alexa built-in is an incredible feature that allows you to control your dash cam with your voice, whether it's controlling your music, asking for directions, or controlling features of your dash cam. And with the My Nextbase player free to download to your computer, you can view, edit, and share all of your footage. And with our super accurate GPS, which refreshes 10 times every second, you'll be sure to have every single detail on your dash cam. So let's take a look at this in the car. It was really important to us that we make getting your dash cam in and out of your car as easy as possible. So our engineers created the click and go mount, and this is the only dash cam you will find this feature on. As we can see, installation is remarkably simple. And with our patented click and go mount, you simply install like so. And when you're ready to remove it from the car, you take it off. The install cable is very easy to install around your roof lining and then simply connect to your in-car power. We always recommend a Nextbase microSD card, and this particular model will support up to 128 gigabytes. The 522GW is compatible with all 3 of our rear view cameras. Our cabin camera that records everything within the vehicle itself. Secondly, it will support our rear view camera that uses a telephoto lens to record everything happening outside the back of your vehicle. And finally, our rear window camera that adheres to your rear windscreen and records all movement from behind your car. With our award-winning 522GW dash cam, you can ensure that you and your family are kept safe and you have proof in the event of any incident.